It's the truth. At least once in your life, sink will clog. Whether it's a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink, this happens. When this happens in the kitchen, it is usually because of food, oil and other residues ends in the tub. In the bathroom, the tub is mostly clogged because of the hair and other products that get stuck in the drain. Most people choose chemical solutions, but because we prefer natural things, we will introduce you 5 homemade solutions to safely disengage your sink. 1. Baking soda. Put 1 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda in behavior. The amount of baking soda varies according to how clogged it is. Let it work for 1 minute, and pour 1 cup of white vinegar over the baking soda. Let it sit for half an hour, until the smelly foam comes out of your drain. Pour hot water over the sink to clean it. 2. Dishwasher. Did you know that kitchen several times plungers sink because of fat inside the plumbing? If this is your case, you can solve it using detergent and hot water only. First of all, drain all the water that may be accumulated in your aquarium. After that, boil 169 ounces of water and mix with some detergent. Pour hot water over the drain and wait for your sink to sink naturally. Do you like this video? Give it a thumb to help our channel. And don't forget to share these tricks with your friends. 3. Coca-Cola may not be the most natural solution, but most people have at home. Did you know that Coke and other cola-based soft drinks can help you open your aquarium? Cola soda has phosphoric acid, which can dissolve fat easily in plumbing. There are many stories of people who have succeeded in that closed sinks and toilets using only soda. Do you want to know how to do it? Little by little, pour a bottle of Coca-Cola 67 ounce on your drain. Wait and watch your aquarium gradually. 4. You definitely have this product at home, and salt. It can help you open your aquarium. Just put 1 cup of salt in the drain and pour boiling water over it. While the water drains, close the cloth sink, applying some pressure. Remember to use gloves so as not to burn your hands. 5. Clean the siphon. Did you know that cleaning can prevent this problem? Sometimes, the sink clogs because of all the dirt accumulated in the siphon. If this is your case, place a bucket under the siphon to catch all that water and dirt you may fall as you unscrew the siphon. Clean with a sponge and neutral detergent. Easy, right? But better than knowing how to open your sinks prevent it from happening. See some tips to prevent this. Avoid combing your hair while bathing or over the bathroom sink. Remove all grease from cooking utensils with a napkin before washing them. Do not pour oil directly onto the sink. If you have pets, remove all of their bristles from wear before washing. Last but not least, always check in advance if the drain is okay. If you encounter a problem at first, it will be easier to solve. Do you have another trick to teach us? I share your opinion in the comments.